When it's time to remodel your bathrooms, trust Bath Fitter, North America's top choice for quick, clean, affordable bath remodeling in hotels, apartments, and all other multi-unit properties. Beautiful bathtubs and showers installed right over your existing ones with no mess and no hassle. Bath Fitter has revolutionized bathtub renovation, and our simple, smart way to renovate baths and showers has enhanced the value of countless commercial bathroom renovation projects. Best of all, our product is built to last a lifetime. Bath Fitter has developed an innovative one-piece seamless wall system that provides a watertight fit. We offer a variety of wall styles and tile patterns that, when combined with color-matched accessories, will dazzle your tenants and guests. Bath Fitter wanted the very best acrylic to manufacture its products, so we decided to make our own acrylic sheets. All of our products are made of the same premium quality acrylic, high gloss, non-porous, and easy to clean. Our acrylic sheets, among the most durable on the international market, are custom molded into the bathtubs, showers, accessories, and one-piece seamless wall panels that make commercial bathrooms beautiful. When you choose Bath Fitter, you are putting your trust in a company with more than 35 years' experience. Since 1984, our time-tested and efficient remodeling technique has transformed hundreds of thousands of bathrooms in hotels, motels, apartment buildings, dormitories, hospitals, assisted living facilities, and military installations. A Bath Fitter commercial consultant begins by taking precise measurements of your existing bathtubs or showers. At our state-of-the-art facilities in Canada and the US, members of our highly trained manufacturing team use those exact measurements to custom make your new bathtubs and showers. Throughout the manufacturing process, quality control experts make certain our products meet the rigorous standards we set for ourselves and our customers. Your order is carefully inspected, packaged, and shipped on time to your property, where factory-trained and certified Bath Fitter installers clean, repair, and prepare your existing surfaces before your new bathtubs or showers are fit precisely into place. There are no subcontractors to deal with. Our installers are all highly trained company employees, which allows us to ensure the quality of their work. Many of our installations can be completed in less than 1 day, with no demolition. Even more importantly, our revolutionary and efficient installation technique can be completed without disturbing your tenants or guests. We are proud of our product and people, which is why we confidently stand behind our 5-year warranty. You'll be amazed by the work we do and the product we provide. As for your guests, tenants, and cleaning staff, well, they'll probably be grateful that you chose Bath Fitter. Quick, easy, dependable bathroom remodeling that won't cost a fortune.